welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Bar license. What is a bar license? A person who wants to operate a bar cannot do so without the permission of authorities. Therefore, to run a bar, the person needs to get a bar license. However, there are several licenses that are needed to open a bar. They include business license, liquor license, food service license, food handler's permit, and many more. And all these are to be covered collectively under the bar license. What are the different types of bars? To obtain a bar license, you must also know that which type of bar you are opening so as to get the right permissions from the authorities. So primarily there are 6 different types of bars which are as follows: long, tapas bar, pub, sports bar, nightclub, concept bar. How to obtain a bar license? A bar license is a prerequisite for opening a bar in the country. The states vary in some rules about the bar license, but all in all, the rules for opening a bar remains constant. Registration of company. To obtain a bar license, you firstly need to register your company. This registration can be for any type of company. Then, the bar license application has to be in the name of the company. This creates a firm belief in the customers of the bar that it has been created by valid institution. Obtain employee identification number. To progress in the process of registration, a bar owner needs to get a unique employee identification number EIN from the India Revenue Services IRS. This is a unique number that is required to be filled and is extremely necessary for many permissions and other documents. Obtain permissions from authorities. Now, there are several agencies you need to contact and get permission from. Firstly, you need to get a permission from the Trade Bureau. Secondly, you need to get to the local Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control ABC and apply for a liquor license depending on the type of liquor you are serving. Then, you move to the state level ABC, which approves your liquor license at the state level, and after due satisfaction will issue your license. FSSAI license. If you are planning to also serve food at your bar, then a license from the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) is mandatory. The cost of these licenses depend upon the menu of your bar. It is a time-bound license and has to be renewed every year. State Public Health Department permission. The State Public Health Department has the rights to oversee and approve the licenses and permits. They may also send some official from the department for inspection. A failure at the inspection results in cancellation of all permits and hence the failure in obtaining a bar license. Why is it necessary to understand the type of license? It is very essential to understand that what type of license we need for the bar and for the alcohol. It is important because the bar and liquor laws are different for different states all over the country. It is very important to contact the authorities before you file for liquor license or bar license to understand what should be the right application for right permission. Conclusion. Therefore, it is clear-cut observation from everything stated above that getting a bar license is a lengthy but essential process for opening a bar. The bar license is to a bar what fuel is to a car. Therefore, before opening a bar, all the conditions and different permissions must be kept in mind in order to have a bar which stays and sustains for a long period of time. Thank you.